Hello viewers, today in this video we will learn preparation of alcohol from alkene. When alkene react with water in presence of acid gives alcohol. It is completely an addition reaction. From water the H is attached over here and OH is attached over here. So we will get alcohol. In case of unsymmetrical alkene, like here you can see in both the carbon, the number of hydrogen is different. Here the number of hydrogen is 2 and here the number of hydrogen is 1. So this is unsymmetrical alkene. In this case, the addition will take place according to Markovnikov's rule. What is Markovnikov rules? In simple language, here you can understand. The negative species will attach to the carbon having less number of hydrogen. So here this hydrogen having the less number of this carbon is having less number of hydrogen. So OH will attach over here. Here you can see CH3, this is CH3, CHOH. Here you can see CHOH, CHOH is present and this H will attach over here. So it is CH3. So it will come isopropyl alcohol, right? So this is the process, this is the simple reaction. Many times in the board examination the mechanism is asked for this reaction. So let's look into the mechanism. If we look into the mechanism is actually divided into 3 steps: first, second and third. So 3 steps are like that. The first step, protonation of alkene to form carbocation by electrophilic attack of hydronium ion. So hydronium ion, how that hydronium ion is formed? First of all, you see when you look into the water, because the reaction is with the water, the oxygen in the water having 2 lone pair of electrons, right? When it react with H plus, right? What is H plus? How many electrons are present in the H plus? There is no electron in S orbital of H plus. So these lone pair of electron given to H plus, right, and forms H3O plus, and which is having 1 lone pair of electron. So in this way, first of all, formation of hydronium ion is take place. Hydronium ion will be formed. Hydronium ion will be formed. Now, in this hydronium ion, when it is formed, so this hydronium ion when react with alkene, right, what will happen? First of all, here on the hydronium ion you can see the oxygen carrying the positive charge and having lone pair of electron. To neutralize this effect, the bond between hydrogen and oxygen, the electrons present in the bond between hydrogen and oxygen will completely shift toward oxygen and form H plus ion, right? What will happen? This is hydronium ion, H O H, and this is carrying two electrons with positive charge. So these electrons completely shift toward the oxygen to neutralize the effect, releasing H plus. This H plus means what? H plus means there is no electron. So in this H plus, electrons are shifted from these bond pair toward the hydrogen, and this hydrogen is attached with this carbon, right, forming carbocation. So here you can see the bond pair is totally shift over here, and here the electron will be shift toward the hydrogen, forming carbocation and water. In the next step, since carbocation carry the positive charge, so the electrons from lone pair of electron of oxygen attack toward carbocation, so water will act as a nucleophile. So that is why in the second step, nucleophile attack of water on carbocation. So this attack toward carbon and gives its lone pair electron to the carbon, and carbon and oxygen bond is formed. Here the carbon oxygen bond is formed. That means the carbon is bonded through the oxygen, and oxygen is still having one lone pair of electrons, right? In the next step, this is what species? This species is called protonated alcohol. Protonated alcohol. Now, in the next step, what will happen? The next step is deprotonation to form an alcohol. Since it still carry one lone pair electrons and also having positive charge, to neutralize this effect, this electrons from this bond will be shifted toward the oxygen and forming this H free. H plus will be free over here, right? This H plus having the empty or vacant s orbital, to that vacant orbital the lone pair of electrons from oxygen is shifted toward this H, hence forming hydronium ion again along with the compound that is alcohol. So this is the mechanism